Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to create a website. First, define your site's purpose, whether it's for a business, a personal blog, or an online store. Knowing your goal helps shape every decision, from design to content. Next, pick a memorable domain name, ideally one that is easy to spell and pronounce. Finally, secure a good web host. This is where your website's files will live, ensuring it is accessible to everyone online. Now, let's talk about how to actually build it. You have a few excellent options. Website builders like WordPress, Wix, or Squarespace offer user-friendly interfaces, often with drag-and-drop functionality, making creation simple for beginners. Alternatively, for more control and unique features, you might consider custom coding using languages such as HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. This path requires more technical skill, but offers limitless customization. Every financial product has its upsides and downsides. A significant advantage of the Mission Lane Cashback Visa is the ability to earn 1.5% cash back without needing a security deposit, which is uncommon for credit building cards. Plus, you're automatically considered for a credit limit increase in as few as 7 months. On the flip side, the variable interest rate, which can be as high as 29.99%, means carrying a balance could become quite expensive. Once your site is ready, it's time to launch. Before going live, meticulously test every link, form, and feature to ensure everything works perfectly. After launch, actively promote your website through social media, email marketing, and search engine optimization to attract visitors. Remember, a website is never truly finished. Regular updates, content additions, and security checks are vital for its long-term success and to keep it running smoothly.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.